So one of the first things I have to do with any type of sequence is determine the pattern. And in this case, since it's a shape pattern, I would say, well, how many shapes are there in this pattern? And here I have hexagon, triangle, triangle, trapezoid, triangle, trapezoid, and then it starts over with the hexagon. So I have 6 shapes. So one thing I could do if I wanted to figure out the 14th is I could literally count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, and realize the 14th shape is a triangle. Now as I get up to 25 shapes, again, keeping that idea that I have to recognize my pattern, it may be a little bit more tedious. So what I could do is say, I know that I'm going to have to go 6. So if I go 6, 12, 18, 24, I've already gone 24 times. Now I can start counting 25. So I know that my 25th shape is a hexagon. Now, even this method can take more time than may be necessary. So when I get to larger numbers, like trying to find the 100th shape, I can start by saying, well, how many times does 6 go into 100? And if I do that, I would get that 6 goes in 16 times with a remainder of 4. That remainder of 4 tells me how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that my shape in this case would be the trapezoid. Now the last question asks how many triangles will be in the first 100 shapes. And again, we have to remember this is our sequence right here. So we said that we're going to do 16 sequences and then 4 into the last sequence. So if I think about what's in a sequence, there's 3 triangles in one sequence. So 16 times 3 is 48 triangles in the first 16 sequences. Now I'll look at just those last 4 objects and I can say, well, in the last 4 that I have, which goes just 1 through 4, I have 2 more triangles in those first 4. So 48 and 2 means that I have 50 triangles in the first 100 shapes.